Hello everyone and welcome back. It is going to be another fun video today in which I'm going to customize this Toyota with some suspension. So I'm going to improve this car, and later on I will do a comparison video of two cars of the same model jumping together, one without suspension and this one with suspension modification. Overall, it is a very nice looking car. You have a sunroof on top, and you have the detailed headlights and taillights, which add more realism to this car. I will start by drilling the posts and create threads for the screws that I will use later on to close this base back together. Basically, there are two types of customizations I'm doing for my Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. The first ones, of course, are the ones that are heavily modified with different paint and all sorts of accessories. They are not meant to be played with. They are too delicate and I put too much effort on their looks, so I don't want to break anything or chip my new painted car. However, in this case I'm keeping the stock color and paint job, and this car is going to be bashed and jumped with. So today I'm not going to change the color and paint scheme of this car. I'm going to keep it and show it to you as is. Although I have considered repainting this car and adding all sorts of stuff to it, but today it's not going to be the day for this modification. Now back to our little modification here. As you see, I've created channels for the axles to move up and down. Now I'm just making sure that they are smooth and without any interferences. Next, I'm going to add my suspension part. It is a spring, a very basic piece I'm adding to each one of my car's bases. Now, in order to get the full amount of travel from this car, I'm going to eliminate the round pieces at the bottom. They are not suitable for cars with suspension because they will collide with the floor or with the road, and they will prevent the wheels from getting the full amount of travel that they have. And here's your suspension part. If you ask yourself where can you get one, you can take apart a measuring tape and use its blade. Just cut the right length, and in this case I have to bend this part and follow the lines of this base because the base is not flat. Since it's a lifted car, then you have all these ridges and change in directions here. So I'm just bending the suspension part in the right place in order to follow the exact line of this part. And here I will try to show you the suspension part here just above the place where the axle should be. And now let's have a look on this car with its new suspension part inside, and it is very smooth and nicely rolling car with suspension. Now I need to check everything and see the performance of this car. I will take it to my playground and show you how it performs, and for the comparison I will use another car of the same model. And here we have another car. It is this red Toyota. It is completely stock. I will use it for the comparison video today. Here we have the two cars. This one is the blue with suspension. This one is regular one. Good luck.